Now let's quickly cut across to Uttar Pradesh. In view of increasing COVID-19 cases in Uttar Pradesh, the Yogi Adityanath government has now imposed a complete lockdown in the state over the weekend. The state went under lockdown from 10 p.m. on Friday, and restrictions would continue until 5 a.m. on Monday. Tight security arrangements have also been put in place at the Delhi-Noida border to ensure strict implementation of the lockdown. Only essential services are allowed so far, is what we hear. Government and private offices, shops for non-essential items, malls and restaurants will remain shut. Buses and other public transport will be off roads. The UP government, however, will allow incoming trains, and the passengers will be able to use special buses to get home. This comes even as COVID-19 cases in Uttar Pradesh crosses the 33,000 mark, with over 800 deaths that have been reported.
सर, किस तरीके से गाड़ी को जाने दिया जा रहा है?
सर, जिसके पास हैं वही जाएंगे, बाकी कोई नहीं जाएगा।
अच्छा, लोग
जैसे इमरजेंसी सर्विस है, स्पेशल सर्विस है, वही जा पाएंगे। हाँ जी, रुकिए सर।
लेकिन मेरे पास अभी कोई डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है, तो मैं कैसे प्रूव करूं कि मेरे को हॉस्पिटल जाना है? अब ये लोग मेरे को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं जाने के लिए। लॉकडाउन हमारे को पता था, मैंने ई पास के लिए भी ट्राई किया है, लेकिन वेबसाइट पे 30 जून के बाद ई पास ही नहीं अप्लाई हो पा रहा है। उसमें 30 जून दिखा रहा है। मैं अगर दिखाएं तो मैं आपको सिस्टम पे भी दिखाया हूँ। 30 जून के बाद वो बना ही नहीं पा रहे हम ई पास अपना।
In the wake of the rising coronavirus cases, the Yogi Adityanath government has imposed lockdown from Friday 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. on Monday. I am right now in Hazratganj area of Lucknow, and you can see that this area is giving a completely deserted look. All the shops are closed, and people who are coming out of the road on the street are being checked by the police. There is heavy security deployment, and the police is only allowing people engaged in essential services to come out on the streets. According to the state government guideline, only shops selling essential items will remain open during this brief lockdown period. So you can see that the cops are checking ID cards of people who are coming out on the road, and those engaged in essential services are only being allowed. And if we talk about the COVID-19 situation in UP, there are over 11,000 active cases at present, and the cases are constantly rising in districts like Noida, Ghaziabad and Lucknow. And yesterday UP reported highest ever single day spike with over 1,300 cases of coronavirus. In Lucknow with camera person Harish Kandpal, Nilanshu Shukla for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.